In today's video, we're going to talk about CapCut Pro, a great video editing tool that can really improve your content. Whether you're new to editing or have some experience, CapCut Pro has features that can make your videos look amazing. We'll show you how to use its tools, share some tips, and help you create awesome content easily. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and upload your video. Then drag the video to the timeline. On the left side, you'll see the stock material option. Click on it. You'll see multiple categories appear. You can open them one by one to see what's available. Any media with Pro written on it can only be used in the Pro version. You can use stock media in your video. There are different categories, like green screen. Let's use a video from this category as an example. Place the video you want to display on the screen on a lower layer in the timeline. Then turn on chroma key. Next, adjust the video to fit the screen on the tab. You can use any green screen video this way. However, most of these videos will only be available in the Pro version. The next feature is brand assets. In this section, you can store all the assets related to your brand, like your brand logo, that you can use in every project. The next feature is text. It includes pro text effects as well as categorized effects like trending, pro, basic, yellow, red, and pink, etc. Then drag any text effect you like onto the timeline. You can edit it to write your own text and make further changes, like adjusting the fonts. Next, there are text templates. You'll find a lot of great templates in different categories. Many of these are pro templates that can make your video more attractive. As you can see, if you're creating a business sale promotion video, this text template is really good. You can fully edit it, like changing the 30% sale to 50%. In addition to all these features, you can also easily edit and change text as per your need. Now, let's play the video and see how it looks. It also includes great animations that give a professional look. In the Pro version, there is a large collection of text templates available. No matter what topic your video is about, you'll find related templates. Next is auto captions. While you can use captions for free, the Pro version gives you the option to add captions in different languages, including Arabic, Bengali, Chinese, Dutch, and more. The next feature is stickers, which also has a vast collection of Pro stickers organized by category. Next, click on Effects. Hundreds of effects are available in different categories, like trending, pro, lens, love, and glitch, etc. These effects give your video a completely different look, making it seem like it's been professionally edited. Next is body effects. This feature will detect the body and apply effects to it, giving an attractive look. As you can see, I applied a body effect and it's working well. It also has multiple categories and hundreds of body effects available. Next tool is transition. This tool is used to change from one scene to another. When using transitions, we apply them between video cuts to create smooth changes between scenes. Transitions give your video a professional look and make it more attractive. Most of the best transitions are available only in the Pro version. After transitions, let's talk about filters. In this tool, there are also hundreds of filters available, organized by category. Next, let's discuss the Pro features on the right side panel. First, under Video Basics, you'll find Enhance Image. When you click on it, it will start enhancing the image. and you can even enhance it to HD or Full HD. The next option is Reduce Image Noise, which clears up any noise or unclear parts of the image. Next option is Optical Flow, where you can change the FPS, frames per second, of your video, making it play more smoothly. Simply click on FPS and easily adjust it. The next Pro feature is Relight. Click on it and you'll find 3 options, each with different templates. You can use these templates to relight your video. Each template can be further manually edited. You can change its color and use different options to improve the quality. You can see how the colors are changing, and you can easily adjust them. The fourth option is Presets, where you can manually create and save your own presets. Next is Auto Reframe, which automatically sets the frame according to your video, but it's usually not necessary since we often select the frame beforehand. The next Pro option is Remove Flickers, followed by AI Movement. This feature has 4 different options that add movement to your video. If your video needs it, you can use it. The next Pro feature is Camera Tracking, which also has 4 options: face, body, and hand. If you want to track your face, the camera will focus only on your face. The fourth option is Custom, where you can choose a specific point to track according to your preference. In the video, the next option is Remove Background. This Pro feature includes custom removal, where you paint over the specific part you don't want to remove using a brush. You can adjust the brush size as needed. If any extra part gets selected, you can use the eraser to remove it. After making your selection, apply the changes, and only the part you want will remain while everything else is removed. If any part gets selected by mistake, you can remove it using the eraser. You can also adjust the eraser's brush size. After selecting the image, click on Apply. And you can see that the background, except for the part we painted, has been completely removed. Next is Retouch. To explore this feature, let's import an image. Click on Retouch, and all the options will become available. You can retouch individual parts of a single person, like the eyes, nose, and face. For example, if I select the eyes, I can change their size, brighten them, and manually adjust each detail. Next, Skin Tone allows you to change the skin color. It will automatically detect the skin and adjust the color accordingly. Next is Auto Reshape. In this feature, you can reshape the face, eyes, nose, mouth, and eyebrows. First, let's look at the face options. You can change the size of the face, slim it down, make it larger, create a V-shape, and adjust the chin size. You can easily change each aspect. These are all Pro features. After that, you can also adjust body parts to your liking, including arms, legs, neck, etc. All of these features are only available in the Pro version. In the same way, you can easily edit each part of the body in detail according to your preference. Now, let's look at the animations. Multiple Pro animations are available, including in and out animations, as well as combo animations that are really good. After that, we have Adjustment, which also includes some Pro features like Auto Adjust, Color Match, and Color Correction. In Auto Adjust, the colors are automatically adjusted. In Color Matching, if you want to match the color with another part of the video, you can select it and the tool will match the colors with the specific image or video. Next is the Color Wheel, which is an excellent Pro feature that you can also use. The last feature is AI Styles, which includes multiple categories. You can use AI painting to turn your image into an anime style image. Next, we have expressions. There are 5 different expressions available. I'll show you each one by one. I've created 5 copies of the image and added a different expression to each one. One by one, we add an expression to each image. Now, let's play the video and see how the expressions appear. As you can see, the expressions have been applied smoothly and look great. In the same way, you can use multiple options. To wrap things up, CapCut Pro gives you so many awesome features that make your video editing easier and more professional. From cool text effects and body effects to transitions, filters, and AI tools, you have everything you need to make your videos look great. You can edit your images, adjust colors, use animations, and even try out fun AI styles, like turning your image into an anime. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy video editing tips. Thanks for watching.